factor tree of 374. So 374, it can be written as 2 times 187. 2 times 187 means 374. 187, it can be written as 11 times 17. 11 times 17 means 187. So now we select a prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers are 2, 11 and 17. So we can write 374 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is 2 times 11 times this 17. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.